Russia appears oblivious to the onset of winter, causing once hidden systems to stand out more prominently. A clear example is the positioning of a 2S1 Gvozdika artillery system at the outskirts of a dense tree line, rendering it an easily discernible target for FPV drones. The artillery system, manifesting signs of low morale with rounds carelessly scattered nearby, lacks effective concealment and can be effortlessly spotted. Seizing the opportunity, the drone operator initiates a straightforward strike on the ammunition-laden system. The relatively poorly armored artillery system succumbs to the penetration, resulting in an internal fire that eventually triggers the detonation of all stored ammunition. This event signifies the obliteration of another piece of Russia's artillery, further depleting their arsenal for the days ahead.